Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Azure Administrator role AZ-104. You can download the complete list of Azure-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Azure Administrator role is: explain the concept of Azure Resource Manager ARM deployment templates and how they enable infrastructure as code IAC in Azure. Your answer should be Azure Resource Manager ARM deployment templates are JSON files that define the desired state of Azure resources and their configurations for deployment using infrastructure as code IAC principles. ARM templates allow organizations to automate the deployment and management of Azure resources by defining resource dependencies, configurations, and deployment parameters in a declarative template format, enabling consistent, repeatable, and scalable infrastructure deployments in Azure. Our next interview question is: what is Azure policy and how does it support governance and compliance management for Azure resources? Your answer should be Azure policy is a service provided by Microsoft that helps organizations define, enforce, and assess compliance with organizational standards and regulatory requirements for Azure resources. Azure Policy enables governance by allowing administrators to create and apply policy definitions that enforce rules and conditions on Azure resources and configurations, ensuring consistency, security, and compliance across the Azure environment. Our next interview question is: how do you implement identity federation and single sign-on SSO between on-premises Active Directory and Azure Active Directory using Azure AD Connect? Your answer should be Azure AD Connect is a tool provided by Microsoft for synchronizing user identities, groups, and attributes between on-premises Active Directory and Azure Active Directory Azure AD. By configuring Identity Federation and Single Sign-On SSO with Azure AD Connect, organizations can enable seamless access to cloud-based applications and services using on-premises credentials, providing a consistent user experience and simplifying identity management for hybrid environments. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of Azure Monitor and its role in monitoring and optimizing the performance of availability of Azure resources. Your answer should be Azure Monitor is a unified monitoring service provided by Microsoft that helps organizations monitor and optimize the performance, availability, and security of Azure resources and applications. Azure Monitor provides features such as metrics and logs collections, alerts and notifications, dashboards and visualizations, and integration with other monitoring tools and services, enabling organizations to gain insights, troubleshoot issues, and optimize resource utilization in Azure. Our next interview question is: what is Azure Firewall and how does it provide centralized network security and protection for Azure resources? Your answer should be Azure Firewall is a managed firewall service provided by Microsoft that provides centralized network security and protection for Azure resources by filtering and inspecting inbound and outbound traffic based on user-defined rules and policies. Azure Firewall offers features such as application and network rule sets, threat intelligence integration, logging and analytics, and high availability, enabling organizations to enforce network security controls and protect against unauthorized access and threats in Azure. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.